Hi, Jivi. What do you have in this box?
No.
Ooh.
This one got and how this?
What's this?
The button. Look how the button.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Looks tight. Button.
Wow.
The house.
Oh, is that a scooter?
Huh?
Scooter.
This one, I put my juice on it.
You want to put juice in there?
Yeah.
Nice. Are you going to take your Henry with you?
Yeah. No.
No Henry on the scooter?
No.
Oh, wow. So nice.
Oh no. Oh, it's back.
Wow. What's this?
Paper.
Paper. Okay. Let's fix this.
Fix it. This one?
You want this Henry on
No.
scooter?
No, that's it on this. No, I don't want
You want small Henry on this?
it.
This is a very nice color. Green, yellow.
Yeah.
Okay, let me help you, darling.
Okay.
Wow, so cool. GB knows how to fix his stuff.
Oh no, I can't do that.
Okay, let's see.
Let me help you.
Okay, let's do this.
Wait a minute.
Okay.
Now, press button.
You need help?
Yeah.
Okay, I think what we need to do is press this.
Well, put this like that. This, oh no.
Okay, so mommy fixed this.
Well, how to put this?
Uh-huh.
Well, how to put this?
And now we need to fix this.
Help you, please.
Help you? Okay, let's
Let's see.
tie this first. Wait.
Oh no.
I think this goes here. This goes here. Give me this.
yeah.
Let's see. This you have to open this like this.
What,
Hold on. Let's see.
what happened is?
This is like this.
No.
And then this goes here. This goes here. This screw. And this goes like this. Let me see.
You can.
Okay, so how does this work? Let's see.
Let's see.
This goes here.
No, love.
Hold on.
Look, I will drive this.
Nice. Okay, you want to fix this?
Yeah.
And then I'll fix the seat.
Sit down.
Yeah. Let's fix the seat.
What happened would go this Franco's I'm in the go. What happened to this? Happy and the whole this booster.
Okay.
Okay.
Then it goes like this, and that's it.
Wait, what juice?
It's done. You can
my
put your juice, yeah?
What's my juice?
You can put juice on it.
Yeah.
Let's fix the seat now.
Look, I drive it and put my juice in there. We need the bag. Mom, we need bag.
Okay, we're gonna fix the seat now. So this screw over here, we need to unscrew it. By mistake, I did this.
We have bag. We have bag.
Yeah,
We put the bag.
that's it. I've got this. Now we put the seat.
We have the bag.
Okay, wait. Like this. And this goes in between. So guys, daddy's away at the moment. He's out of country. That's why I'm fixing this.
Yeah, Daddy.
Because otherwise this is daddy's job. I hate fixing stuff.
Oh my God.
I don't like Jibi's fixing stuff.
No, I like to do mine.
Oh, I like it?
Yeah.
Okay. Mommy's struggling.
Yeah.
Hold on. Okay, this goes on top. Jibi's in rush.
Yeah.
This is a comfort cushion.
We need this. We go.
Okay, this is done. The comfort cushion is done, guys. On the
We
top.
need that.
Okay, wait, Jibi. We need to fix this darling first. This bit. Okay? If you can't fix this, then it's not gonna work for us. I don't know, how does this go?
Oh my God.
I think, wait, let me just take this out. I think you just slide this in. Oh God, this is a struggle. Yeah, getting there. Okay.
Oh, Mama, fix it. I gotta go my Henry. Nee, I want to show my Henry.
Okay, you want to show everybody your Henry?
No, I want to show everybody.
Why do you love Henrys, GB?
I like her. Okay.
You love Henrys?
Yeah.
You love mommy or Henry more?
The bike. I like the bike.
You like the bike now? Oh. You don't like mommy or Henry?
No.
Oh
I
no.
love.
Guys, the struggle is real.
Yeah, I love bike.
You like bike?
Yeah, nice. I want to show how much.
Basically, I want this to go in the
Is
yellow. No, it's not done, darling.
Oh, is that well, how should I put this? Is that?
Yeah, it's not done. It has to go inside. It's not going inside.
I want this. Well, half bag.
Or what we can do is move your hand, darling.
Huh?
And guys, after 15 minutes of struggle, almost there. So I have to push inside and I feel so oh no, it's off again. So we have to do again, GB. Mommy needs to do the hard work again.
Yeah.
Oh God, it's so real struggle.
You want it again? We have to bag.
Oh, God.
Wow. Boom.
So guys, it's done. Done. Don't move it, GB.
Okay.
I'm putting the screws inside.
No.
I hope I don't mess it up again. Oh, God.
Let's go.
This is a struggle, guys. Okay. I feel so weird to do daddy's jobs as he's not around. I hope I'm doing it right.
What?
Oh yes!
Oh yes! I'm ready.
I am a superwoman. Yes.
Done. Is that?
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've done it.
I've done it.
Okay. So this part goes on this side.
Yeah.
This small bit over here.
So I'm it.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll have the cushion.
It's a bit struggle, but yeah, it's fine.
It's fine, yeah.
Nearly there.
You really there. I have.
Okay, don't move it, baby. Guys, once I'm done, I will show you around. We'll show you the scooter.
Is that?
Almost, GB.
Huh?
Almost, darling.
Oh.
You like it?
Yeah!
No, I can play with your Henry and you can play with the scooty.
Play this one.
Hmm?
Play this one.
Play with the Henry quick.
Yeah. I can play with my scooty.
Okay. So guys, they're giving this fan out. I'm trying to fix this. I think it's gonna go at the front.
The fan.
Let's see. I'm gonna fix it now and show you
The
guys.
fan.
So guys, this is it. This is how it looks overall. It's very nice.
It fixed?
GB fixed it, yes.
No, Mama fixed it.
Mummy fixed it, yes, and GB also fixed it. So basically,
No, I didn't fix
it's
it.
like this. It has a seat, and I think you can close this as I'm holding a camera. You can just pull this. Hold on, let me just do it for you guys. So guys, you don't just push it up. You just pull like this, and it's easier with two hands. It lifts up basically easily. Let me show you guys.
Coolie
See, this is how it goes. So you can close it like this, and you could ride it as a scooty, or as GB wanted to sit down on it. So it just clicks and then it goes down, and then that's it. It has a basket, and I couldn't fix the fan. I couldn't be bothered also, and that's it. Yes, and a plus point is it has LED lights inside. So GB's gonna show you guys. Yes, let's go. It has LED lights.
I got it. Bye
Bye bye.
bye. Later. Scooty? No. Okay.
You putting Henry on scooty? I think Henry is too heavy for this, darling. Yeah? We can put a small Henry on this. Yeah?
But someone gone.
Hmm?
But someone gone.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Are you liking your scooty?
Yeah.
You like your scooter?
Yep.
Are you happy?
Yep. Mama, just... No. Oh, no. Hmm?
So guys, GB's siblings are back from school, and with their help,
And it
we got this fixed. And yeah, GB's got his fruit shoot at the front, and now he's off for shopping. Where are you off to? For shopping?
there's no uncle.
Okay.
Shops.
You going for shops?
Not one shops. At one shop. I want.
Bye, GB. Enjoy your scooter.